Here's another tip to help make it so that your students can be more independent while completing Seesaw activities. And this tip is use a screen recording program or online website to record what you're doing on your screen and then upload that video to Seesaw. So I already did this with a lesson earlier where I recorded myself doing the lesson in Screencastify. And then when the video was done, I clicked the download button and it downloaded it to my computer. Then I went into Seesaw. I'll delete this example here. If you go into Seesaw, delete that one, click on the camera, click on upload, go find the video, and hit open. And then you have the video right there. Now you can resize it. Usually in the case of this activity, like I would have this over here, and then over on the right side would be, I'm just going to change the color here a second. Over here would be the letters for the kids to manipulate. This is really helpful also that the kids can hit pause, do the activity, go back, hit play, hit pause, do the word, and they can jump back and forth. So that's really a really helpful thing to do. Keep in mind that this is great if your videos are more than 5 minutes because Seesaw limits to 5 minutes when you use their tool, but your video space size of the file can't go over 250 megabytes. If it goes over 250, you can't upload it into Seesaw. So if you have that problem where you did all this work and the video is too big, here's a cheat. If you take a screenshot of a portion of the video like this, and then drag that in my computer, I can drag it in. Your computer, it might throw it onto your desktop, and then you have to bring it in or saves it in a picture file somewhere. And then since I did this in Screencastify, I can go into Screencastify, do copy the shareable link, and then go back to Seesaw, click link, and then paste the link in. So then the kids will see, oh, if I click this, it'll open this video. Now, again, oops, it jumps you out of Seesaw, but at least it's one click. If you just take this video and put it in the instructions, look at the very beginning where it says, I'm going to click the check button here. It says add multimedia instructions or an example. If you put it there, well, the kids, when they add a sample, when they, add their response, they're going to have to click on instructions. They'll get that card that has the directions on the right and then the videos on the left. Then they have to click the video and then it'll open in a separate tab. I try and minimize how many times the kids are clicking. I like it that when they're on the page, they click the video, it goes right to it, or the video is right there embedded within it. So I hope you found that tip helpful for helping support all the kids be able to complete the activity more independently.